Hey there coffee lovers, today I've got something exciting to share with you. It's the Univen Percolator coffee maker pump tube, designed to fit perfectly in your Farberware 12-cup electric percolators. If you're like me and you rely on your trusty percolator to kickstart your mornings with that perfect cup of joe, you'll want to stick around for this review. Let's dive into the details. This pump tube stem is a lifesaver for anyone whose percolator is on the fritz. Say goodbye to hunting down obscure part numbers, because this little guy replaces Farberware part numbers FCP412-04, P13-1357, and 3043. It's a perfect fit for Farberware percolator models FCP412 and 142, so you can rest easy knowing it's compatible with your machine. Now, let's talk dimensions. The pump tube measures 9.5 inches or 24 centimeters in total length, ensuring it reaches just where it needs to in your percolator. Crafted in a sleek silver color, it blends seamlessly with your machine's aesthetics. One of the best things about this pump tube is its ease of use. Simply replace the old tube with this one, and you're good to go. No need for complicated installation processes or professional help. It's a quick and hassle-free solution to get your percolator back up and running in no time. But what about performance? Well, let me tell you, it delivers. With its fully automatic operation mode, you can trust that your coffee will percolate just the way you like it. And with a capacity of 12 cups, you can brew enough to fuel your entire household or office. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. You might be wondering if this replacement tube is worth the investment. In my opinion, absolutely. When you consider the cost of replacing your entire percolator versus just swapping out a single part, the choice is clear. Plus, with the peace of mind knowing you're using a genuine Univen part, it's a no-brainer. In conclusion, if you're in need of a replacement pump tube for your Farberware 12-cup electric percolator, look no further than the Univen Percolator coffee maker pump tube. It's reliable, easy to install, and delivers top-notch performance every time. Say goodbye to coffeeless mornings and hello to a perfect brew, thanks to Univen. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.